how to find account restrictions settings on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find account restrictions settings on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now just click these 3 points here in the bottom corner, and now you will find settings here. Click on it, and after you click settings, here you will find this one, parental controls in settings. Click on it, and here just go down and you will find this one here, account restrictions. And that's how to find account restrictions on Roblox mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.